Hello and very warm welcome to all my dear educators. Today I shall be explaining you how to create an online lesson plan and maintain a daily log of work for all the teachers. Since it is virtual lesson planning, so some of the methodologies of teaching could be different from the regular classes. So be attentive for the whole lecture. Now, in the first slide, if you see, every school gives a proper timetable for all the teachers. For example, if you're taking up English for the higher grades, standard 7th and standard 9, this is languages. We all know that languages are divided into two categories. One is the literature section and another one is the language section. So in the literature section, it consists of teaching poetry and prose both, and in the language section, the grammar part and the creative writing. Here I have given a bifurcation of teaching language and literature both. So if you are taking up prose, you can take up for 2 days and poem for 1 day, and grammar section also for 1 day and creative writing for 1 day. So when it is consisting in the lesson, you can take up in the lesson as well, or extra lecture if you want, you can take up in weekly once. Next, we have a bird's eye view for the whole lesson plan. This is the lesson plan for the standard 9 English and poem 1.1 Life by Charlotte Bronte. So the approximate time we have taken for 45 minutes, and the teacher never begins the lesson without warming up the students or without drawing up their attention towards the lecture. So the lesson itself have some warming up questions in the textbook, so you can begin either with that, or if a teacher knows anything related to the lesson, begin with same questions or same atmosphere. It should not go more than 5 minutes. Now immediately after drawing their attention towards the lesson, you may announce the topic. So when it is a regular class, the announcement of the topic is done with the writing the topic on the board. Here you can show a presentation about your topic, or you can orally describe the topic as well. Now after warming up the session with the students, the teacher asks the students to open the book, page number 3, and explains the poem. Next comes the objectives. The objectives are general and specific, both. General objectives are the objectives of the complete lesson, what exactly you want to teach through the lesson, and specific objectives are the particular day which you are teaching about the lesson. Now if your general and specific topics are covering in 1 day, you can cover up with that. So I hope so the poem 1.1 we can cover up in 45 minutes. So our general and specific objectives will accomplish in this session. Now methodology or teaching aids, your method of teaching explanation, it will go for 20 minutes, approximately for 20 minutes, and definitely it should be a lecture method, and you can use a presentation for the teaching aids on screen about the poem Life. Next is your classwork, what you want them to do in the class. So explain the figure of speech, particularly specify the personification, the metaphor, and the word meanings also, stressing upon on this. And this particular specification should not exceed more than 10 minutes. And next comes the homework part. You may give the English workshop, which is on page number 4, as a whole, and the appreciation of the poem as a homework. When you're winding up the lesson, you can easily wind up with the evaluation or asking questions. You can unmute any one of the student, and this is a quick revision of the lesson. So you can ask, and in turn you can ask the question. So these questions are given in the lesson plan. Now this is the specimen lesson plan. Your topic and the planning must be under these headers. Next comes a daily logbook of your teaching. So every day you must maintain a logbook, and what topic as a classwork you have taught, what you have given them as a homework, some special notes if you have regarding them, the absent students or the long absentee or any other remark, that also you can write. So here I have given some headers that how to use this logbook every day. I hope I have cleared both the topics. If you have any doubt, do let me know through the comment section below. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.